things in life you forget they'll pass you by. It's the simple things in life.
So guys, we are going to a place called Ditumabo Mother Waterfall. We're gonna have to do some trekking.
Oh, really?
Work off that breakfast.
Do I need more than trekking to work that off? I am stuffed beyond belief, honestly. I can't drive. Can't drive.
1,113 pesos to fill up the tank. Ouch. That hit the pocket. Damn, bro.
Damn, bro.
Now, to the waterfall, please, miss. Or mom. Short walk up to the waterfall, I guess. Let's see what all the fuss is about, eh? See if the pictures are true. So we've got our guide. I think the guide is 200 pesos, and I think it's 150 peso entrance fee. You have to have a guide, by the way. You can't just go on your own. Correction: 30 pesos each, not 150. I heard wrong. So 60 pesos for us both to get in, and we've got a 40-minute walk, is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's 40?
Yeah.
Cody's not happy. She's got to burn off that food.
I ate too much to be trekking for 40 minutes.
Go in that water or what?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
I'd be warmer sitting inside a freezer.
The water's cold.
I went down to get a bit of video, my foot fell in and I was like, whoop! No, definitely. I do not understand how these people are in this water. I don't understand. One guy walked towards me and he was like,
shivering.
And I was like, are you okay? Why are you getting in?
They love it.
They need more than a towel. They need a blanket and a hot fire and a Milo afterwards. That's what I feel like I need, just watching them go in the water. It's so cold. The sun is behind the clouds. It's nice and cool here though, so if you want to kind of stay out of the sun and you need somewhere where there's a lot of shade, it's a good place for that. But it's a very powerful waterfall and it's very, very cold water. So I do not volunteer myself as the person to get into the water today.
Filipinos volunteered instead.
They did. Thank you guys. If you see yourself in the video, we want you to know that we really appreciate your efforts today.
actually really cold. Like I've got goosebumps.
Yeah. But it's not
Freezing.
cold in the area.
It's just like the water spray, because the water sprays off the water.
And
It
you're in
makes
the
you,
shade.
and the sun's gone. Really, really cold. So there was no chance. Sorry guys, but there's no chance we was getting in. Sorry.
One of the other guides just said to me, "Mom, you're not swim?" No, I'm not swimming. You're right. No way. Why not? It is freezing. And she laughed at me and said, "It's okay."
It's
No,
cold.
it's not okay. It is cold.
Cold, 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 cold,
Not about
cold.
that life.
Very, very nice waterfall though. I can't lie.
It's worth the trip.
Powerful, so
Yeah.
powerful.
There's a few little ones along the way, for example.
There's another little one there.
And this water's lovely and clean.
Yeah.
But instead, we're going to go to the beach.
Well, providing the sun
Where
comes
we
back out.
belong.
We're just getting a couple of fruit shakes, and we can get this Gaia. Is it called Guyabano?
Guyabano. What's this one? Avocado. Oh, okay.
I don't know whether to try one. I think I'll just get a mango.
You can't get it. It's not available.
So guys, just quickly bought myself one of them. I think it's like a jumper that people always get in the water with. So now my Filipino completion is finished. I'm done. That's it. I'm full Filipino
He
now.
thinks he's like, you know, Filipino, like
am.
2.0.
I've got my my top, so I can go in the water and just blend in with the crowd. I've got my snood already.
He's got a little mask that he puts across his face. Just needs some sunglasses and a sombrero. You're good to go.
I've been after one of these for ages actually. Been trying to find them because it is good to protect your skin still, even though we love the heat. It's good to protect your skin. So.
But if I put one of them on, I'm going to go home the same colour that I came, and I don't want to do that. I like to be brown. I protect my skin with sun cream. It's all good. Don't stop.
Well,
Don't
you're
stop.
still only like 10-15% Filipino anyway. So.
Why?
Because you haven't got one of these. These mean you're Filipino, mate.
You say that I'm... No, because you said you were full Filipino before you got one of
Mate,
them.
I'm 120% Filipino now. Deal with it. Don't be jealous.
Does anyone want him? He's doing my head in. You can have him free of charge. He doesn't cook.
I eat good food though.
Everyone eats good food if it's made for them.
Well,
What do you bring to the table?
I fixed the puncher the other week
He fixes
that
punctures.
you created.
Let me just tell
Let
you,
me add.
Mr. Filipino, every man in the Philippines can fix a puncture.
Well, obviously, we're Filipino. Gotcha!
There's nothing special about you though, so why should anyone take you? What do you bring to the
You're
table?
a hater. You're hating on me right
I'm
now.
asking, what do you bring to the table for these people?
Mate, I'm a geezer.
No one wants you.
Liar.
No one wants you.
You hope no one wants me.
I know no one wants you. I don't even want you. I've been trying to get rid of you for 6 years.
You're a liar. Can't help yourself, can you?
Oh, look at that. How much?
Salamat.
10 only?
Salamat.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.
What flavour you got? Chocolate?
Oh, chocolate sauce.
Do you want me to drive?
Oh.
Is it good?
You won't like it. Oh, it's so good. That's legit his chocolate sauce of life. I'm going to reverse and ask him for some more. Here's Mr. 120% Filipino.
Yep. Don't you forget it. Don't you
This
forget
guy.
it. Boy, these are tight, aren't they?
Exactly, that's why I didn't want one. Your arms are all twisted.
I know.
Sort yourself out.
Trying.
No, other way. Yeah, you spin it away from you.
Mate, I can't grab it. It's too tight.
You're not very Filipino, are you? They'd know exactly how to put it on straight away. Not like you. No, you're twisting it more the wrong way. You are an idiot, honestly.
I can't do it.
I can't deal with you.
Filipino
look good.
transformation complete.
You look good.
Thank you very much. See, the guy said you got to protect your skin. Guys, I've listened to you and I've taken action. That's it. All I need now is my snood. Straight over that. Boom. Snood there. Done. You jealous?
No.
You wish you had one of these now, didn't
I couldn't pull it off as well as you.
you? You know. You know. Back to Patar Beach.
Back to Patar Beach. We just didn't walk very far down. Probably less further than we did the other day. And in front of us is some kids playing cricket or something. But they haven't got a ball, so they're getting wet sand and rolling it into a ball, and the other kid's got a stick, a pole, and he's just chasing the other one with the pole. And one of them's throwing the sand ball at and the other one's whacking it with the pole. And it's just nice to see, like, when you use your imagination, you can have whatever you want. They're just playing together. It's really cute. Oh, he's just on a backflip right into that water.
Really? Tell you what, it is really nice, like after doing most of your day, like the waterfall for example, to come back to the beach and just do nothing for an hour or so before you go back to your room.
It's nice to have that option. She's like, should we just go to the beach? It's nice to be able to just say that sentence. Do you want to just go to the beach?
It's nice, because normally like we're always on the move every day, full long days. So it's nice just to finish a bit early and come down and just chill.
We're just talking about slowing our travels down a little bit rather than being so fast paced and move on and move on and move on and move on, and what our options are for the rest of the trip and where do we want to go, and asking each other what is the one thing that we want to see this year. Is there anywhere specifically that we absolutely feel like we need to go to? So we've just been it's been a nice day, isn't it? Just
chillaxing.
That waterfall was cold though.
That waterfall was more than cold.
I was not getting that waterfall.
I had goosebumps, I didn't even get in. That's how cold it was.
It's freezing. Guys, do me a favour. Seeing as he wants to be so Filipino, his name's a little bit more Indian. So
I need a Filipino name.
Drop your comments with a little Filipino name for this guy, because I don't think he's going to settle and die happy until he, feels like he's got that Filipino birth certificate. So
I think
drop some comments about what should we rename him? I'll make
I need a name.
Certificate.
I do need a name. A Filipino name.
Yeah, go on, drop us a comment. What do you think he looks like? What name suits him?
He's my new friend, guys. The dog's like basically sitting on her.
Oh, you're so cute. Are we friends now?
Even the Philippines, dogs and cats are really friendly. Well, the cats are little shits actually, but the dogs are really friendly too.
She's just come and sat like at arm's length away from me, and now she's fully leaning on me. Like, what?
That is cute.
Oh, I love you too. I'm gonna take her home, Mom. I'm just letting you know. She's slowly like putting more and more weight on me. She's fully trying to lie on me. Yeah. We're friends now, aren't we? What can we call you, eh?
Filipinos are friendly.
There you go. She just rolled onto
the dogs are friendly.
me.
All the animals.
No,
everyone in the Philippines is friendly.
She's fully lying on my arm. She's got my arm wrapped around her. She's lying on it. She's cute.
Cody told me she was going to take me to Buko Pie. So we've come to the most famous bake shop in Baler. Dialin's Bake Shop. Always busy. The reviews online.
It was very busy. That looks
Reviews
very
online.
good. Can I have a bite?
Absolutely not. Absolutely.
If it's nice, I'll go and get one.
If it's nice, I'll tell you, and you can go and get one. It's nice, go and get one. Damn, that's good.
Is that good?
Mm.
Real good. I got a red velvet cake.
I think it's on my nose. Yep. Love my nose.
I got a red velvet. If it's nice, I'll tell you. You can go and get your own.
Damn, this is good.
Wow.
Is ridiculous.
You didn't even let me have a bite.
I couldn't, I'm sorry.
You're so tired. Wow.
Okay. This bakery shop is outrageously good. When I mean outrageously, I don't even like cheesecake. Destroyed it. That shop is the real deal. No wonder why it got a ridiculous rating online. Banging. I might get another one for later.
Yeah?
I'll tell you what, you have to get one for yourself, not to share. I would love to get another one, but I think they're quite rich, aren't they?
I don't know.
Damn.
I'm having a good time over here.
I don't want you to eat any more of those because I don't want you to spoil this. This is ridiculous.
I haven't got any more.
How many do you get too?
One for me and you.
What, and you ate both? Shit, you got one for me and you ate both of them? Oh wow, thanks for that. No wonder why you offered me a little bite. I felt guilty as well, so I took a little bite. If I knew it was like for me, I would just ate the whole thing.
You didn't even let me have a bite of yours.
I couldn't. Guys, this is what I just devoured in seconds and was just the best thing I've ever tasted of life. Now we're gonna see what Cody says about it. You liar. Absolute liar.
Wow.
Is that not the best thing of life?
That is the
not?
best cheesecake I've ever ate in my life. I don't even like blueberries.
So,
That is so... What's the even word for this?
Jeez, guys. Special is what it is.
Oh my god.
Damn boy. Dialin's Bake Shop, guys. Get down here.
Listen, if you're here,
never miss it. You almost missed it.
Oh Jesus. I'm gonna eat the paper. So much Jim.
Just all over my nose, I wouldn't worry.
Wow.